How to turn on notifications on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on notifications on Opera Mini. First we're gonna do is go to Opera and now click this Opera icon here and then click this one, settings, and then go down until you find here notifications, this one, and click on it. And here you will find Opera notifications. Just click on it, and as you see, Opera notifications has been turned on, and that's how to turn on Opera notifications on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.